Today I want to talk about my updated flash that I'm using with my Fujifilm cameras. And since my last video about my favorite flash, the Fujifilm EF X8, which was a popular video of mine, I thought I would do an updated one. So let's get into it. So the flash that I'm talking about is the Godox iT30 Pro F, and it runs for about $75 on Amazon as of recording this video. So here's the flash here, and as you can see, it's very compact, and I would say how it compares to the older flash is it's obviously bulkier than the old flash, but whenever you have the Fujifilm EF X8 extended upright and like the mode for flashing, it's about the same vertical space and maybe actually a little bit less. So here's the flash on my Fujifilm X-T5, and you can see kind of the profile that you'd be working with. It has a really simple menu setup that's very intuitive to me, and it's also chargeable via USB-C, which is a bonus. I don't want to spend a lot of time going over the specs and details of this flash. I do want to go ahead and share some photos that I've taken with it, so you have some idea of what you might be able to expect from this. So that's really it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the photos. I really do recommend this flash. It's what I take out with me whenever I need a little extra light. And as usual, I'll put a link to this flash as well as my last video on the flash that I was using prior to this. That is a little bit smaller, so if you want to check that out, you can. But this is my current setup, and I highly recommend it.